Hi, my name is Farouk Aga, and I'm the president of Al Arab Global Water Treatment Devices, based in United Arab Emirates. I'm very pleased to have Mr. Mike Kroll giving us the opportunity to explain us about his new technology, SDC water purification. Hello, Mike. Kindly could you please tell us about the beneficial of this technology and how far that this technology has gone since then?
I'd be happy to, Farouk. Several years ago, we conducted an experiment in Costa Rica to test our water purifier against some of the worst water we could find. Now, this test, as I said, took place several years ago, and the basic parameters of the program were that we wanted to determine whether or not we could reduce a fecal and total coliform to acceptable limits with just the interaction of our product. We tested this water pre and post. We did pre and post destructive testing of the water system itself, both to test for levels, as I said, of fecal and total coliform count, but also the biofilm in laterals, 6-inch laterals coming off of the main system. Now, we treated the water at 78 parts per billion. This was roughly in this system approximately 45 gallons of our silver dihydrogen citrate product a day. The results were astounding. We tested at 0, 1, and 2 kilometers from the main head prior to introducing our product. The levels of fecal and total coliform count were officially too numerous to count. That was a rather astounding stat right off of the bat. Now, after treating the water with our product, we took several different distance time points again for us, and we noticed a dramatic decrease in the coliform count initially. Coliform counts at 1 and 2 kilometers away had actually dropped below detectable levels. The fecal matter, the fecal count, as well had dropped to 1 and 2 kilometers. These were actually below significantly detectable levels. Now, this was a very good surprise to us, but it was really astounding going back to the 78 parts per billion, which is almost nothing. Now, one other thing that we noticed in the pre and post treatment, we had done destructive testing, as I said, to the water laterals. We had noticed that biofilm, and biofilm feeds and harbors bacteria, the biofilm had actually closed the 6-inch laterals up to just under 2 inches of actual opening diameter for the water to flow. After 30 days of using our product in the water system, we had opened those up to over 4 inches, showing a significant impact on the biofilm in the line. What was most remarkable to us, however, though, is typically with hyperchlorinating a system or something to achieve anywhere near these results, you would see the biofilm would slough off, and you would see a huge spike in the organic load downstream. We noticed none of that.
I see. Also, we heard that you had donated a large amount of water purifier to the third world. Could you please explain that also, what kind of results you had?
Well, with a remarkable product like this, we take great pride in participating in many of the world's disasters over the last few years. In El Salvador, the earthquakes, we donated product down there, not only for the emergency care workers, but also for the inhabitants. We did the same thing in the tsunami disaster. Most recently, the earthquakes in China, we donated 100,000 2-ounce bottles of our water purifier. Now, each bottle would purify or make microbiologically safe water for 200 gallons out of a 2-ounce bottle of SDC. The significance in this, and really one of the most important things beyond treating the water to make it safe to drink, was the fact that it was all with a non-toxic product, which really operates contra to most
in other words, this
disinfectants.
product is a green product.
It's absolutely green. It's green in its manufacture and green in its application.
After the first treatment, the water stays protected for how long?
It really depends on the environment and the variables involved. But this would be a suitable chlorine or chloramine type replacement for sure.
How you feel about moving towards to Middle East and based in Dubai, that the companies you're going to be introducing your product to?
Yeah, we're very excited about it. Very excited about working with the people and the country. We think we can do a lot of good there.
Very good. I thank you very much again and have a nice day.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.